Hello everyone, welcome to Chaudhary Data World channel. Today I am here with three new DAX functions that are hour, minute and then second. We saw these functions into Power Query Editor. Again we are watching this into this means data view of Power BI desktop. So we will be watching that how we can create calculated column against these three functions. So let's get started with the video. To demonstrate the functionalities of these three functions, we are having this particular data set in front of us, in which we will be creating column at last with having named as column underscore hour, minute and the second. So moving ahead, clicking on table tools and new column. This new column will create calculated column. We will rename that particular column as column underscore hour. Now this hour is having a function of hour, we can see here. This function will be expecting date time format timestamp. For that I have copied one timestamp, pasting it over here, closing the braces. Right now we are picking up the static value into this particular hour. We are supplying static value into this hour function. We can have dynamic as well. The dynamic thing can be done if we will select particular column. Suppose we are having order date here. You can see in order date we are having date stamp, basically we can say. And if it would have been date time, we can definitely pass it to this hour, and that will extract out the hour from this particular time stamp dynamically, and it will map that hour from this order date column into the newly generated column with having all the hours respective to each of the rows into this particular data set. For now I am taking up this data as static data, March 3 2008 and then 12003. So that's our date time stamp right now. Clicking on OK, it will generate our it will extract out hour from it. So you can see that it is extracting out 12, right? So whatever hour it is containing, this particular time stamp, it is just extracting out that particular one into it. Similarly, the case will go for minute and the second. For those two also, we will be creating a new column. We will rename this as column underscore minute. Taking up the minute DAX function, which will be expecting date time, and it will return you a number from 0 to 59 representing the minute. So here is our timestamp. In this we can see that it is 00 in this case. If we are suppose passing 10 into it, so that means we can see that 12:10:03, that means 10 is the minute value, correct? So it will extract out that one. Clicking on enter, it has extracted out that 10 into every rows, right? If we will go for second, column underscore second is the function name. Date time, in this date time we will passing again that time stamp. We are having 03 as time here, so let's see if it's extract 03. Here we are having in front of us 3 as a time second stamp. So that was all about these three hour, minute and second. Hope you find this video helpful. See you in the next video for with some other DAX functions. Any confusion, let me know into the comment section. Thank you so much for watching the videos.